Hi everybody, my name is Sienna Shire. I am 21 years old and I currently live in Ohio where it is very snowy outside. I live on a farm, a family-owned farm, and we have lots of animals and lots of friends to keep us busy. I am a graduate of Florida Gulf Coast University. I graduated in May of 2018 with a bachelor's in health science. I really enjoyed Florida, but it's so nice to be back home in Ohio where all my family is. I moved down there just kind of experience moving away for one period of time, and I really loved it, but I'm a homebody, so I'm happy to be home. I am taking these classes online for this 8 weeks, particularly this class, so that I can improve my grades from previous courses that I took. I'm applying to PA school in April, and I really want to show them that I love science and that I have wide knowledge for it, so I'm hoping I can do that with this class. I currently work at a local hospital. I'm a patient care technician on a med-surg floor. So a lot of the things that I think we'll be learning about in this class I see and get to work with firsthand, which is pretty cool. So hopefully this second time around for anatomy for me is a little bit easier after I've been exposed to the healthcare world. Previously to that, I worked as a home health care nurse, and I prefer the hospital atmosphere a little bit more, but both I've learned a lot in, so I'm really excited to apply to PA school and really get my career started as a healthcare professional. A little bit more about me. I am getting married in July this summer, July 6th. And my fiance is currently in the application process for med school. He's actually in West Virginia right now at a med school interview. So we're crossing our fingers for him so that everything goes well. And then once we figure out where he's going, I'll be applying to PA schools in that area. So I have absolutely no idea where I'll be, which is why online classes like this are so nice and convenient for people who work and have jobs and don't have necessarily the convenience to be at a university. So I'm really excited that this class was available for me to be able to take. Some other fun facts about me. I love the color pink, if you couldn't tell from my room. And I'm a dancer, and I also am a golfer. So that's about it, and I do not like the cold. And we have about 4 inches of snow right now, so but I hope this class is really fruitful for everyone, and I look forward to getting to know everyone. Thank you.